بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your social studies class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, we have just completed the reading of our unit about myself. Okay, now we will do the exercises of this unit. For this, you have to come on page 4. Okay, students, this is page 4. All of you open page 4 in your social studies books and grab your pencils. Students, in this unit, we have learned about family trees. What is this? Family trees. Let's start reading with me. A family tree shows us family connections. A family tree shows us family connections. Here is a family tree. Here is a family tree. What is a family tree, students? A family tree shows us family connections. Let's check a family tree. Okay, students, can you see this? What is written here? A family tree. A family tree. A family tree starts from here. Grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, and then father, mother, and on the other side, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt. A father and a mother goes into brother, sister, brother, sister, and uncle, aunt goes into cousin. Let's read again. Grandfather, grandmother. Then our parents, father, mother, then brother and sister. On the other side, grandfather, grandmother, then uncle, aunt, and then cousin. This is a family tree. Let's move towards the questions. Okay, students, what is this? This is question 1. Here is the family tree of the Ali family. Talk about it. Fill in the names. What we have to do in this question, students? Can anybody tell me? Yes. Now we will discuss what we have to do in this question. Okay, students, can you see? Here are the names written of these people. Here are the names of all these people. What are the names? Akbar Malik, Yasir, Zainab Ali, Fatima Malik, Raza Ali and Anam. We have to find out the name of all these people. Let's start from blank 1. This is blank 1 and let's see who is he. Okay students, now you can see these two pictures. But on the first we will discuss about him. Who is he? Yes, he is the grandfather of Yasir. Very good. He is the grandfather of Yasir. And what is his name? Let's search in the list. Okay students. His name is Zainab Ali? No. Yasir? No. Akbar Malik? Yes. His name is Akbar Malik. Okay students, grab your pencils and start writing his name. His name is Akbar Malik. Write in a neat and clean writing. Akbar Malik. His name is Akbar Malik. Very good. Now we will see who is the next person. Who is he? He is father of Yasir. Very good students. He is father of Yasir. And what is his name? Let's search in the list. Okay students, what do you think? His name is Anam? No. His name is Fatima Malik? No. His name is Raza Ali. Very good. The name of father of Yasir is Raza Ali. Okay students, let's start writing with me. His name is Raza Ali. We will write here in a very beautiful and neat writing. Raza Ali. His name is Raza Ali. Who is the next person? Who is she? Let's check out students. Who is she? Is she Fatima Malik? No. Is she Raza Ali? No. She is Anam. Very good. She is Anam and Anam is sister of Yasir. Very good. Who is she students? She is Anam. Let's write with me. Anam. She is Anam and she is sister of Yasir. Sister of Yasir. Very good. Okay students, let's see who is she. She is grandmother of Yasir. Very good. She is grandmother of Yasir. And what is her name? Let's check in the list. Her name is Anam. No. Raza Ali? No. Fatima Malik? Yes. Fatima Malik is the name of grandmother of Yasir. Very good. Okay students, let's write with me. She is Fatima Malik. Are you writing with me? Very good. She is Fatima Malik. Very good. Let's move towards the next person. Who is she? Very good. She is mother of Yasir and Anam. She is mother of Yasir and Anam. and let's check her name in the list. Her name is Akbar Malik? No. Yasir? No. Zainab Ali? Yes. Her name is Zainab Ali, and Zainab Ali is mother of Yasir. Let's write with me, students. Her name is Zainab Ali. In a very beautiful and neat and clean writing, write here Zainab Ali. Very good. Okay, students. Now you can easily guess who is he. Yes, very good. He is Yasir. He is Yasir, and Yasir is the brother of Anam. Very good. He is Yasir. He is Yasir. Okay, students, now you can see we have just written all the names. He is Akbar Malik, Raza Ali, Anam, Fatima Malik, Zainab Ali, Yasir. Grandparents, parents, and brother, sister. This is a family tree. What is this, students? This is a family tree, and this is the family tree of Raza Ali's family. This is a family tree of Raza Ali. Very good. Now it's your homework time. Okay, students, and your homework is, this is page 4, and what you have to do, students, this is your homework. You have to complete page 4 and share picture in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students, take care, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.